Internal control is something, policies or procedures, which is developed by management. Why management develop these policies or procedures? What is the reason? Management want to achieve certain objectives, such as operational efficiency. So ultimate objective of this internal control is achieving operational efficiencies. That's the main reason why we develop this internal control, right? So the definition of internal control, simply, if I say what is meant by internal control point, the internal control is simply, if I take the word internal control, it policies or procedures which developed by management. Policies or procedures which developed by management. All right, okay. So simply, if I take organizations like humans, all these organizations are facing risk. What sort of risk that entities are facing? Sorry. Lama, you might studied in your previous level, certain risk we know, strategic risk that entities are facing. Certain risk we know, operational risk that entities are facing. So all the entities, all the organizations, they face risk. All the organizations, they face risk. For example, if I take tourism, best example nowadays. If I take tourism, almost all the hotels severely affect due to COVID. So that's a risk faced by that entire industry. So if I take this COVID, and if I take tourism, this is industry risk. What is meant by industry risk? Industry risk means this risk is common for everyone. Entire players in the market get affected because of this particular risk. This type of risk we can say industry risk.